Hey everybody, it's Clark Barlowe back here with Potential Pantry. We've got my good friend William Dissen behind the camera today, the chef owner of Haymaker in Charlotte, as well as Marketplace Restaurant up in Asheville. And we are out here today foraging one of the best wild edibles the Appalachian Mountains have to give. It's ramps. So as you see, we are out here in an area that is on private land first and foremost. We're not on any Forest Service land, not on any game land. We have private land that we are actually able to be on. We've been given permission, and we want to show you how to sustainably forage ramps. So we found a nice big patch of these, and these are getting a little bit late in the season. They've got a little bit of yellow to them, but we're trying to pick out the nice, prettiest, greenest ones that we can. So got one back here, and I'm just going to insert the knife and cut. And I'm going to walk these a little bit closer to the camera here. Very important to not take more than 20% of a ramp patch. That'll allow it to come back year after year, and more importantly is to leave the roots in the ground. You can take some of the bulb, but it's very important to leave the root in the ground for a sustainability purpose. So as you see, just put that knife in there, rotate over, and you get nice clean ramps with no roots on the bottom, and the real powerhouse is these greens. So this is Clark Barlowe with Potential Pantry, with again, my good friend William Dissen behind the camera today, showing you how to sustainably forage ramps in the Appalachian Mountains. Happy foraging, y'all. Please give us a like and subscribe on the channel. We always appreciate it.